Okay, welcome back, guys. Let's take a look at this NASDAQ 100 for the 2nd of January. If in case markets will open, because markets will not open on the 2nd, which is on Monday, markets will not open. That is an holiday. But if in case markets opens, then we will apply this, this analysis we are going to apply it. And if in case market does not open, then we are going to use this analysis for the 3rd, which is on Tuesday. So in this NASDAQ, right, we talked about hitting a level of 10,687. So price have gotten to that level, right? Now we are kind of having like a bullish move on this NASDAQ 100. So is this bullish move over? Well, I don't think it is over. I think it should kind of like go up and start at a level of 11,000. Let's watch out for a level of 11,000, right? So let's watch out for a bullish move on Nasdaq to at least a level of 11,085. So once that price can get to that 11,000, 085 or 11085, then we should expect another drop that will come to this level of 10,687, right? So by this week, the week, right, we should be able to hit this level of 10,687 again this week. But first, this bullish move or a pullback, as you would want to call it, needs to be completed before we actually go, get that drop. So are we going to have that full movement? If the market will be that volatile, or if there will be much movement when markets opens, then I believe markets will give us that impulse bullish move that we are expecting, and that drop will be made. So if there will be much movement, if not, at least it will take us a couple of days for price to complete that bullish move and give us that drop. Above all, we will be expecting our bullish move on this Nasdaq 100 to be completed before it gets that drop, or maybe by that time price should have hit the moving average or break above it a little bit before a drop will be made. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So this is what I am seeing on the 4-hour time frame, kind of like spike here, a pullback here. So I'm watching out for like a bullish move that should take out this ice. This is what I'm watching out for. So once this price can take out this ice, then I would be watching out for like a drop on this Nasdaq 100. So above all, we would want to sell right. And let me give you an opportunity. If you want to sell right, I think you should actually go to the 30 minutes time frame. Once you can spot like a breakout structure downward, then I think that would be a good opportunity to go ahead and sell. Something like this, we were having like a multiple break of structure downward. You can see lower lows and a lower highs. During this period, I know some of us was sell right. We did analysis for Nasdaq on Friday, which that Friday was about on the 30, right? You can go back to confirm. I told you guys that Nasdaq should give us a bearish move. So we actually got that bearish move, right? Before price, kind of give us that bullish move. This is one of the reasons why we are having candlestick wicks taken at the bottom. So it's the same movement we would want to be expecting on this 30 minutes time frame. So before you actually go ahead and sell, make sure you spot multiple breakout structure down before you go. So I believe once this impulse move is over, once this bullish move is over, then we will start spotting multiple breakout structure downward as we are spotting here. Then you can go ahead and sell on this Nasdaq 100 for the day.